Hi guys, welcome back. So I just want to show you the trade that I'm expecting for maybe tomorrow and for next week if they are not activated today. So let me just start my analysis from 4 hours time frame. So this is 4 hours time frame for you, and as you can see we have these different zones. The first zone is here, which has been labeled down here. Let me just remove some of the things here so that we are able to see what I am doing. So, and then we have this other zone at this particular point here, there, as you can see, on that particular zone, which I've labeled. So let me just remove this one here. So that one there. So I'll have to narrow down to 1 hour time frame. So that, guys, we are together. So this is 1 hour time frame, as you can see on this particular point. So we have our zone number 1, which is this zone. And then our zone number 2, which is now marked very nicely on 1 hour time frame. Then up here, this is 1 hour. So on 1 hour, we don't have this zone here. It's not very clear for us, but for this sell zone, it's very clear at this particular point, and also at this buy zone from that point. So we'll have to narrow down again to 45 minutes time frame. So these 45 minutes, as you can see, the zones are very clear. As you can see. So what we'll be expecting from this market is for us now to get an entry. So guys, as you can just see on this particular point here, let me remove some of the things here. I just want to move my, so that I can remove here. Now it looks clean. So this was the zone. So as you can see, this buy zone here, it has liquidity at this particular point. Remember, if you don't see liquidity in the market, you are actually the liquidity. Let me change this color so that it is visible. Yellow is not visible, black. Yeah. So if you don't see liquidity, you are the liquidity in the market. And what actually happens is, if the market maybe decides to reverse from this point, what will happen is the market will come to our liquidity zone just a little, come back kidogo, and then we go up. Let me use black so that it is clearly visible. As you can see, this is what we'll be expecting. Then on the sell zone, as you can see at this point, at this particular point, we'll be expecting to sell from here. But you cannot just sell from here. We have to narrow down to a lower time frame to confirm if there's liquidity. Remember, gold is a slave of liquidity. So as you can see, we have liquidity at this particular zone here, at this point. So we'll have to label the liquidity zone at that point. Let me just put it exactly at that point. That is 2429.02. So that is the liquidity zone which has been created. So in case this market doesn't go down right now, what you expect this market to do is this market to buy from this particular zone, go activate your entry. Sorry, let me delete this one. Buy from this point, go to your zone, go back like this just a little, and then we go down like that at that particular point. So that is our zone number 2. Remember, personally, only you only want to risk 30 pips, and more so when you get your trades on 30 minutes time frame, it's very hard for it to, sorry, not 30 minutes time frame, like you're only risking 30 pips. Remember, if gold hits your stop loss on 30 pips, it is not going to go your way, provided that you've seen the liquidity zones in the market. So this is what I'll be expecting. And also we also have this other zone. This is a 4 hours zone. So I'll draw this that is liquidity. To just confirm that my entry makes sense, I'll have to use Fibonacci, because for this one it is not clearly seen on 1 hour time frame and 45 minutes time frame. So I'll have to use my Fibonacci on this particular point so that I can confirm if my entry makes sense. So just place my fib from here. Sorry, it should be the other way. Remember, I'm just using week to week so that I can have a very good entry. So as you can see, guys, it is really lying nicely to where I have just shown you guys. We have the liquidity on 4 hours time frame. You can see, and we've just used liquidity on 45 minutes time frame, and 30 minutes time frame. That's why I always say in the market you just need to see what is working for you. So you can see the discount level where it is at. So I'll now remove the Fibonacci because I've just confirmed my entry. So delete. So because we were just using Fibonacci to confirm our entries, so you can see we have 3 entries. So at 24.29, at around 24, let me just confirm the price of this one. I want to get it correct. Sorry. 24.46, 24.45.88, and then down here this is around 2392.81, and then this other one is at around 24.29.02. So those are the what I'll be expecting for in the market. That is how actually a very simple way how I analyze the market, and to just make sure I've seen all the liquidity zones in the market. So guys, remember to keep positive vibes, trade rationally, and make some money. So also, if you're not following me on TikTok, make sure you follow the creator. Also, if you've not subscribed on my YouTube channel, please make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. See you guys in the next one. Always remember to keep positive vibes, and inshallah, bye bye.